Right folks, I'm going to do a bit of a plug here, but if you live South London way and you can get to Purley, I'd recommend this place to do work on your bike if you need any. All Bikes. Really nice guys, I've got to know them, and they've done work on my bike, well, quite a few different bits and pieces over the years. And the one thing that I don't touch is electrics, so I definitely bought all the electronic stuff down here, and they completely rewired my R6 for me last year for a couple of hours labour. I don't know if that's good or not, or I certainly wouldn't have been able to bloody do it. So yeah, it's a Hamster top tip. Now I've got a slightly wet arse as well. Come on you bastard. I think the back brake's a bit sticky. Now we'll soon sort that out. Yeah, top guys in there to be fair. They are friendly, they've got to know me over the last 2.5 years I guess. As I said, they've rewired the front of my bike and my headlights kept flashing on and off. And they have... well, in fact I had my one of my engine mounts fell out. So I took her in there and was like, one of these fell out, can you please sort it? And they re-dyed the hole. And they've done that for nothing for me. And they've extracted a couple of other bolts. Charged me 5-10 quid. Yeah, I'm sure there was something else that... thank you. I'm sure there was something else I wanted to mention today. Oh yeah. I kind of stole my logo that I'm using at the minute off Tinternet. So I'm having some more done. I've got some designs together, and hopefully soon, or end of the week, I'll have some new designs for my logo, and I'll be updating that. Oh, it's a bit brisk. Excuse you. Yeah, so along with the logo change, I might also have myself a nice little ride out on Sunday. I don't want to give away too much yet, but it's going to be a good couple of hours, I suspect, out on the bike, going for a little jaunt. But I've done a couple of vlogs, they're all waiting to go up. I might put this one up first, just because of the order that I want to do things and what I've said. I'm going to get myself home. It's getting dark. The weather is not good for tomorrow. Looks like it's going to proper razz it down. Right, it was just a note to say a logo, and I might get some stickers done from it, just because I can. They're only a couple of quid. And keep your eye out next week maybe for a Sunday vlog. I've confirmed myself for football on Saturday as well, so I might have to do something Saturday and Sunday, and then I'll stagger it over the week. How many of those actually ride a little naughty every now and again? And by that I mean don't use the proper gear. Because I'm cheekily just wearing jeans at the minute to go pick my bike up from the shop. But always wear jacket and gloves every single time. That's my law. Every now and again jip around with just my jeans on if it's hot. Always wear my bike boots. I've had an accident where a 200 kilogram bike landed on my ankle without my bike boots on, that would have been severely different. As it was, chipped the bone in my ankle and couldn't walk for a little bit. Couldn't play football for a good few weeks. In fact, I think it was a good couple of months before I could properly run on it again. Bike boots severely helped my case, so that's one of my laws. Bike boots, gloves, leather jacket. Will wear jeans if I'm not, well, certainly not out on a proper ride, but if I'm mincing around town or going back and forth work, because it's not high-speed roads, although shit can happen still. Yeah, but every now and again you gotta live dangerously. I am a hamster that's dangerous, so the people that should look out, not me. Well, that's my little natter for today. Check out more vlogs coming soon, and I'll speak to you all next time. Sayonara! Hello, little doggy. Ah, bless him. Sorry, little dog.